Done. What I need to do next is to flip this over and weld the underside. Okay, and this is how this thing looks like. Okay, and this is the view here. Okay, so I'll tell you what I did wrong. So this plate here is the first plate that I weld. This is 14 gauge steel, sheet metal, and I'm welding it to a thick tube. And so I was having a hard time at first adjusting my wire and adjusting my power, and so that's why it looks kind of ugly here. This is the first plate here that I welded, and as we progresses, as I progressed, it starts to look better here. Okay, it starts to look better. There. Okay, here as well, and then I got my wire and power dialed in, and so it started to look better, so forth. So yeah, I like it. Gonna have to turn this thing over, and then once we turn this thing over, then I can weld the underside. As it is right now, if you hit this thing going downward like that, the bead will hold. However, if you flip this over and hit it up, this thing will break. The beads will break, because the bead in itself is welded in that it holds any pressure going downward, but it doesn't hold any pressure going outward this way. So I have to weld the underneath here on each side so that it'll be a solid unit.